2006 Nissan Altima and inside 245. How to display crankshaft position sensor and location. First time you remove the battery, remove the air filter. And location the crankshaft position sensor. Is here. You use the socket, the 10 long. Remove the bolt here. And remove the crankshaft position sensor. Connect. Is here. Location here. The old crankshaft position sensor. It's a new. You need to reach. Put it here. And fact number. And it shows the crankshaft position sensor. And tightening the bolt 10. This one. Use the long socket 10. Install the air filter, the battery. Thank you watching video. If you like, you subscribe for me. Thank you. I'm appreciate when you subscribe for me. Next time I put video. Thank you.